Good morning. I got the cool dad mug. 'Cause that's what I am. I'm cool, right? Beautiful, beautiful morning here in Missouri. Light wind, perfect temperature. The birds are singing and running for their life or flying for their lives because of the cats. But anyways, that's not why you're here. You're here to go, Steve, what do you have to say today? Well, I mentioned this on my other channel, and so I'm going to mention it here. But there was an FBI warning yesterday, or recently, I guess. I learned about it yesterday, that's what it was. About all these cyber attacks that they're anticipating. Now, those of you who don't know, if you're not in the logistics industry, will recognize the fact that may not know that, like, there were several hacks that caused power outages, that caused an oil refinery or oil pipeline to go down. A trailer manufacturer was affected by that. They were hacked. A lot of ransomware going on because people want their money, you know. And so when you look at just going to the store and buying yourself a cup of coffee, they gotta scan it into a computer like a barcode, or they type it in a computer, and then you probably use your debit card or your credit card to buy your cup of coffee. Well, the computer goes down, you can't do that. You're like, well, I'll just carry cash, right? Computer goes down, they won't even sell it to you. So, something to be aware of. And just, have enough stuff on hand, fuel, food, and fire to get you through a storm. Even though it's spring and in the summer, prepare for a big blizzard. Anyways, just a friendly reminder, keep your eyes open, keep your ears open, and strength for today, hope for tomorrow. Peace.